Hey folks, welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing my honest experience using Domo, the all-in-one data analytics and AI agent platform that's making waves in 2025. Is it really worth it for your business or data needs? Let's dive in. Domo is a cloud-based business intelligence platform that helps you connect, visualize, and act on your data in real time. Think of it as your central command center for data dashboards, AI insights, and automated decision-making. Whether you're in marketing, finance, sales, or operations, Domo helps you make smarter, faster decisions. Let's take a look at the key sections of the platform. 1. Data Center. This is where you connect to hundreds of data sources like Google Analytics, Salesforce, AWS, and more. Drag-and-drop interface makes setup easy. 2. Dashboard and visualizations. Create real-time dashboards with customizable charts, tables, and cards. The visuals are sleek and shareable. 3. Domo AI Agent. This is their 2025 power feature. You can chat with the AI to ask questions about your data, like which product had the highest growth last quarter, and it gives quick, accurate answers. 4. Apps and workflows. Automate business processes using built-in apps or build your own. 5. Buzz, a collaboration feed where teams can discuss insights, tag colleagues, and stay aligned on data. Here's what I loved about Domo. Extremely user-friendly for both tech and non-tech users. The AI agent is surprisingly helpful. It cuts down hours of analysis, tons of data connectors. You won't need a dev team to pull in your data. Beautiful, interactive dashboards, real-time collaboration tools built in. But it's not all perfect. It's pricey, especially for small teams or startups. Learning curve for setting up complex ETL pipelines. AI agent sometimes gives surface-level answers. You still need human review. Mobile version isn't as fluid as desktop. So is Domo worth it in 2025? If your team relies heavily on data and wants real-time insights with AI support, yes, it's a powerful tool. For enterprises, it's a game changer. For smaller teams, the cost might be a hurdle, but the time saved can be worth the investment. That's my take. Powerful, polished, and AI enhanced. Have you used Domo? Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.